I recently came across a post by a physician sharing 4 insane ways to avoid getting sick during the holidays, and I gave them a try. As someone with a weaker immune system, these were a game changer. She suggested vitamin C to support immune function, dandelion leaf for its antioxidants, and elderberry for managing cold and flu symptoms. Her last recommendation was my favorite, the Feel Better Tea from Hey Girl. It combines all the benefits of the products I mentioned into one, so there's no need to buy everything separately. If you're like me and prefer easy solutions, this tea is perfect. You can find it on Amazon, and it's been a huge help in keeping me healthy. Definitely worth trying.